Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to use StatCrunch if you are interested in creating a dot plot. However, this isn't just any dot plot, it is going to be a dot plot with two different variables. So, here we have a question 21 from Chapter 2 homework. A survey asked people what they thought the maximum income tax rate should be in a certain country. Make separate dot plots of the responses from the two political parties. So we have political party A and political party B. Alright. Now, if we click this, we get the data. And remember, we're going to click this itty bitty, teeny tiny, double rectangular thing here to open this up in StatCrunch. Okay. So, first thing we're going to notice that this data is not organized at all. So we have party A, B, 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 A, etc. So what we can do, there's two things we can do. First of all, I'm going to show you that it doesn't really matter that it's not in order. So let's go up here to graph, because we want to graph a dot plot. So we want to make dot plots of the tax percentages. Now here's where the party A, party B comes into hand. Where it says grouped by, we want to group them by their party. Alright, everything else looks good. We can ignore everything else. Go ahead and hit compute. And here we have our handy dandy dot plot. Now, if we look at these guys, we can compare the dot plots. Now here's where we have to be careful. For some reason, StatCrunch puts A on the bottom and B on the top. However, here you can see that party A is on the top and party B is on the bottom. Just something to be aware of when you're taking a look at these guys. Just be careful that you don't get mixed up. Alright. So, now what I want to show you is, let's say that you do want to organize this, that's just the kind of person you are, you can't leave it all messy. What we can do is we can go to data, since we want to change our data, and what we want to do, we don't want to go to arrange, we actually want to go to sort. We want to sort this mess out. We want to select both of these columns. To do that, notice if I click on this one and then this one, it just changed it. Go ahead and press down on the control key and hold it, and that will select both of these. Now what we want to do is that we want to select our data based on the parties. So we want to get our parties all in order. I want to make them in ascending order. What that will do, it will list it as A and then B. If I did descending, it listed B and then A, so it would go backwards on the alphabet. Doesn't matter, whatever you want to do. I'm going to go ahead and hit compute. Alright, it just said, hey, look, I made these new columns for your new sorted data. So you can see here that now my data is all pretty and sorted out. Now, let's say that you don't want your data to be muddled with this data on the same screen. What you can do is go to Data, Sort, go ahead and select these two again. And we also want to sort this by party. You can have it open it in a new table. That way you're not muddling your data up together. Just like so. Alright, so that is how you create a dot plot and sort your data.